Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, this video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. The new method what have been appeared in my service center, I'm going to teach you this method. And by this method, your phone will be unlocked within 2 and 3 minutes. So be with me at the end of this video because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is very new. So you will have to watch this video till the end and you will have to follow the every step with your smartphone to unlock your smartphone by sitting at home. Okay, and the main thing is that you don't need any computer application and you don't have to go any service center to unlock your smartphone. And the most thing is that your phone's all the data like photo, video and application will be saved as it is as you know a smartphone by this method. And this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch your phone on offline mode, and for this simply you will have to open your phone's airplane mode. You will have to switch on your phone's airplane mode or flight mode, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode, and when you will activate your phone's airplane mode, your phone's all the network like telecommunication and Wi-Fi network will be switched off. Now after this simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is *#899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this USSD code, after sales page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. And when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page and the page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. Now but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here there are also a 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a mainboard version option which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 5 times rapidly, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important log test option at the 2nd number. Okay, so simply you will have to go with this read write important log test option, and when you will click on this read write important log test option, it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. At the first time simply you will have to cancel here, and the second time again you will have to cancel here, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will go with this read write important log test option, you will have to go with the option of a confirmation with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK button, you will get a pop-up of a wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now the very last step what I'm going to give you, you will have to go with the option of a key status option which is showing that the 3rd number. You can see here simply you will have to click on this key status option, and when you will click on this key status option, now you can see here your phone's all the password are showing here passcode. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password or fingerprint or face lock has been removed. Now you will have to simply check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So how will you check? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this home button. You can see here this phone has been completely unlocked and all the application which were in my smartphone as is my smartphone. So be with us with the next videos with the next tricks. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.